Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change DNS settings on Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First, go to your desktop and click on the Windows icon. From the menu, select Settings. Once inside the Settings menu, click on Network and Internet. If you're using a wired connection, click on Ethernet. For wireless, choose Wi-Fi. Scroll down and find the section labeled DNS Server Assignment. Click on the Edit button next to it. In the pop-up window, change the setting from automatic to manual. Now you can enable either IPv4 or IPv6, depending on what you prefer. For IPv4, enter your preferred DNS addresses, such as 8.8.8.8 for Google DNS or 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare. If you choose IPv6, make sure to input the correct format for those addresses as well. Once you've entered your new DNS settings, click on Save. The changes will take effect immediately, and your system will now use the new DNS servers you provided. So that's basically how you can change DNS settings on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.